I'm going to explain you substitution. Substitution means to replace the given value. For example, if I talk about algebraic expression, it has two parts, constant and literals. Literals can be called variables. Constant has fixed value, but variables or literals value keep changing. For example, if I write here 2x, so 2 is fixed. X can be replaced by 0, 1, 2 and so on. So how to substitute these value in it and get the value of the expression? Let me explain. For example, x equal to 0. 2x means 2 multiplied by x. Let us substitute the value of x as 0, replace x by 0, it becomes 2 into 0, 0. In next case, if I ask you, substitute x equals to 1. Very simple, take 2 and replace x by which value? 1, substitute 1 here, so 2 into 1, 2. Next one, if you substitute x equals to 2 in it, it becomes 2 into x. So in place of x, substitute 2 here. As x equal to 2, you are going to substitute. So 2 into 2, the value of the expression is 4. Now we are going to deal with the sums in which you substitute given variables and get the value of expression. Really interesting. So pay attention and practice more and more sums. So let us move on the first question of exercise 1b. Substitute x equal to 4 and find the value of the following expressions. So we are going to replace x in all these cases by 4. So let us move to the first one. 5x means 5 into x. So 5 into x, substitute x equal to 4 here. It becomes 5 into 4, 20. Question number 2, minus 2 into x. It means minus 2 into what is the value of x? X equal to 4. Use the properties of integer and solve. Minus into plus minus, 2 4 8. Hence the product is minus 8. Likewise, x minus 5. What is x? Substitute x equal to 4. So 4 minus 5. Again, using the property of integer, 4 minus 5 equals to minus 1. So the concept of integer should be very clear before dealing these all sums. Moving on to the next one. 1 by 2 into x. What is x here? 4. Substitute 4 plus 3. Cancel them 2 times. So it becomes 2 1 2 plus 3. Hence the answer is 5. Or the value of this expression is 5. The next interesting question is question number 4, exercise 1. Find the value of this expression when x equals to 0, x equal to 3, x equals to minus 4, x equals to 1 by 2. So let's do these sums one by one. First one, replace or substitute x equal to 0 in the given expression. 5 into 0 square minus 3 into x. What is x here? Replaced by 0 into 0 plus 7. Now solve using the properties of integer. Any number into 0 is 0, so this turns to 0. Minus 3 into 0, again this turns to 0. Hence the answer is 7. Next one, take the expression 5x square minus 3x plus 7 and substitute x equals to 3 in this expression. So how will you start? 5 into 3 square. The power is x square. So replace x square by 3 square. Minus 3 into x. Into x means into 3 plus 7. Now multiply 5 into 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. Minus 3 3 ja 9 plus 7. Again multiply 5 into 9, 45. Minus 9 plus 7. As you know, first we add the two positive integers. It becomes 52 minus 9 equals to 43 is the answer. Fourth part, substitute x equals to minus 4 in this expression and calculate the value of expression. So let us substitute. First you write the expression as it is 5x square minus 3x plus 7 and substitute or replace x by minus 4. 5 into x square. 5 into what is x here? Minus 4 square. Minus 3 into x. What is x here? Minus 4. So in bracket. plus 7. Now solve. Next step, 5 into the square of minus 4. Square of minus 4 means minus 4 into minus 4, that is 16. Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 3 4 ja 12 plus 7. Next step, 16 into 5. 16 5 ja 80 plus 12 plus 7. Now sum up. 80 plus 12, 92 plus 7, 99 is the value of this expression. Fifth part of this question number 4. Substitute x equals to 1 by 2 in the expression and solve. So let us bring the expression down. 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Substitute x equals to half. 5 into x square. X square means 1 by 2 square. Minus 3 into x. X is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 7. Next step. As you are confused in getting the square, make a rough column and multiply it repeatedly how many times? 2 times. So the answer is 1 by 4. So when you open, it becomes 5 into 1 by 4 minus 3 1 ja 3 by 2 plus 7. Next step, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 7. You can see this is a simplification question of fractions. You can easily simplify by converting them into like fractions. Their LCM is 4. So 7 as fraction is 7 by 1. 4 is already equals to the LCM. 2 into 2 is 4. Same number multiply up. 1 into 4 is 4. Same number you multiply up. Hence the fraction. Next step, 5 by 4 minus 2 3 ja 6 by 4 plus 7 4 ja 28 by 4. So add the positive numbers first. 28 plus 5 is 33 minus 6 by 4 equals to 33 minus 6 means 27 by 4. Convert as mixed number. 4 6 ja 24. 3 by 4 is the answer. Students, till now you have done the sums in which you have only one literal. Now let us deal with the sums in which you have more than one literals. For example, question number 7. Substitute the value of p equals to minus 4, q equals to 1 in the following expression and find the value of the expressions. Question number 1 is 2pq. Be very attentive while substituting the value in it and be full focus while doing these sums, because very often mistakes come in such questions. Put value 2 into p. What is p here? Minus 4 into q. What is q? 1. And solve using the property of integer. As you have only one negative sign, so the product is negative. 2 4 ja 8. Hence the answer is minus 8. Let's move to the second question. P square minus q square. Substitute p square. P means minus 4 square minus q is 1 square. Solve. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. Minus 1 into 1 is 1. 16 minus 1. The value of this expression is 15. Third question. 1 minus p square. Minus p square means minus 4 square. As the given value is minus 4, so substitute minus 4 here. Plus q square. Q is 1 square. Now solve carefully. 1 minus square of minus 4 is 16 plus square of 1 is 1. Add the two positive integers, it becomes 2 minus 16. Using the properties of integer, do subtract the 2 and put the sign of the greater numerical value. Hence the value of this expression is minus 14. Fourth one, let's solve. There are 3 terms, so let us put the value of p and q according to the given values. 2 into p square means minus 4 square plus 7 into p minus 4 into q is 1, so put 1 plus q square. Q square means 1 square. Substitute q equals to 1 in it. Let's move to the next step. Minus 4 square is 16. So it becomes 2 into 16 Again do simple multiplication of integers. Plus into minus. Minus 7 4 ja 28. Plus the square of 1 is 1. Solve 16 into 2 32 minus 28 plus 1. As we are being told, first you add the positive integers and convert to one positive integer. So 33 minus 28, the answer is 5. Most of the time the mistake occurs when you reach to the last stage. So be very attentive while doing the last step here. Look at question number 10. Question is, prove that x square plus y square plus z square plus xy plus yz plus zx equals to 43, where x equals to 4, y equals to minus 6 and z equals to 5. So let us substitute, and while substitution be very careful, as always I say. So x square means, what is x there? 4. 4 square plus y square means minus 6 square plus z square means z equals to 5. So 5 square plus x into y means 4 into minus 6 plus yz minus 6 into 5 plus zx 5 into 4. Next step, 4 square equals to 16 plus minus 6 into minus 6 is 36 plus 5 square 5 into 5 25 plus into minus minus 4 6 ja 24, again minus into plus minus 6 5 ja 30 plus 5 into 4 20. Add all the positive integers. 16 plus 36 plus 25 plus 20 equals to 97, minus add the two negative integers, minus 24 minus 34, when you sum up it becomes minus 54. Next step, subtract and get the answer 43. Hence you prove that the given expression equals to 43. While explaining substitution, I have solved few sums on whiteboard. Those sums will be your class of questions, and the homework sums are question number 2, second and third, question number 6, second, fourth, seventh, question number 8, all the parts do in copy.
Children, take care and keep smiling.